Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to create a community on Roblox. So communities are great to have people because you can bring people together. So to get started, go over to the left and then press more. Now go to the top right and then click communities. And on the left, you will see communities you're in, and there is also options to create a community. I'm going to click on that. And now you're in. All you have to do, you can give your community a name. You can add a descriptions if you want. This is optional. And then you can choose an emblem by pressing selected images and decide if you want anyone to join automatically or if you want manual approval for a new member, and then press 100 Robux button in the top bottom right to purchase a community. And that's it. You have now created your Roblox community, and you can find it over to the left to access anytime. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this helpful, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.